Looking for a keyboard that stands out and adds personality to your workspace? Meet the pink Typewriter style backlit keyboard, a compact, candy-colored gem that combines pastel pinks, purples, and whites with adjustable white backlighting to brighten up any desk. Whether you're working late or just want a fun, stylish accessory, this keyboard makes your setup pop while keeping things functional. What sets this keyboard apart is its retro round mechanical keys powered by Kailh Brown tactile switches. These switches deliver a satisfying, bouncy typing experience that's both responsive and enjoyable. The mechanical click adds a subtle ASMR-like sound that makes typing more engaging, perfect for anyone who loves that classic typewriter feel but needs modern performance. Plus, the round-shaped keys give it a playful, vintage vibe that's hard to find in today's tech. Connectivity is a breeze with two versatile options. Use Bluetooth 5.1 for a wireless setup that pairs quickly with up to 4 devices, or plug in the USB-C to USB-A detachable cable to type and charge simultaneously. Switching between devices is seamless. One click and you're connected to your laptop, tablet, or phone. This keyboard works smoothly across Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, iPad OS, and iOS, making it a versatile choice no matter your device ecosystem. Designed with durability and space saving in mind, this keyboard features a solid build with a smooth matte finish. Its compact layout excludes the number pad, freeing up desk space without sacrificing comfort or style. The sturdy materials ensure it can handle daily use, while the sleek design fits perfectly in tight spaces, whether at home, in a coffee shop, or on the go. If you're drawn to keyboards that blend aesthetics with function, this pink typewriter-style keyboard is worth a look. It's not just about the cute kawaii vibe, though it nails that perfectly. It's about a reliable, tactile typing experience that keeps you connected and comfortable. Fans rave about its responsiveness and satisfying click sounds, turning everyday typing into a little moment of joy. Ready to upgrade your desk with a keyboard that's as charming as it is practical? Try this pink backlit keyboard when you're ready to add color, comfort, and convenience to your workspace. It's more than just a keyboard, it's a statement piece that makes every keystroke feel special.